In this video, we will be going over the assembly and setup of the Infinity Altera Massage Chair. This chair comes with the arms already attached, but we will also be going over the removal and reattachment of the arms in the case that you may need to remove them in order to get your chair through a tight space or doorway. The only tool required for both general assembly as well as the removal of the arms is a screwdriver, which comes included with the chair along with all other required screws and parts. If you do not need to remove the arms, position your chair in a clear space and bring it into the upright position. In order to do so, connect the chair's power cord to an outlet and then plug it into the port on the right of the back side of the base of the chair. Then, plug the remote cord into the port on the left of the back side of the base of the chair, ensuring that the arrow on the plug is facing up. Next, flip the red power switch to on. Finally, press the power button on the remote once to turn the remote on, then once more to bring the chair into the upright position. After the chair has been brought into the upright position, the only step required for assembly is attaching the leg rest. First, slide the leg rest up to the front of the chair. Ensuring the clip side is facing up, connect the white clip from the leg rest to the port on the chair until it snaps. Then, slide the air hose onto the connection nozzle. Next, one side at a time, lift up the leg rest and slide the hooks onto the pins on the housing of the chair. Then, locate the two clips in the bag of parts and tighten them onto the pins on both sides, lining up the square side of the clips with the grooves on the pins. Turn until they click securely into place. Finally, zipper the footrest flap to the zipper on the bottom of the seat cushion. You have now completed the assembly of your Infinity Altera Massage Chair. However, if you are unable to get the chair through a tight space or doorway and need to remove the arms of the chair, you will need to do as followed. Start by unzipping the zipper underneath the shoulder airbags and locating the 3 screw holes underneath. If possible, try to refrain from unzipping and removing the airbag completely from the chair. Simply pull back on the airbag and unscrew each screw, keeping them set aside for when you place the arm back onto the body of the chair. Once the screws have been removed, grabbing from the underside of the armrest, pull back on the arm, gently shimmying it back and forth if needed, and then pull up until it pops out. Finally, disconnect both air hoses towards the back of the arm. Repeat the same process for the other arm. Once you have gotten your chair into your desired location and are ready to reattach the arms, you will do the inverse process. Lean the arm onto the body of the chair and use your body for support while you reconnect both air hoses to their respective air nozzles. Then, ensuring that the hoses are out of the way, place the arm back onto the shelving of the chair, positioning it securely into place. Finally, screw the 3 screws back into the screw holes underneath the shoulder airbag and then zipper the airbag closed. Once completed and all of the pieces of the chair are fully attached, in order to ensure everything is working properly, run the chair through a cycle like the extension program. Check that all of the airbags are fully inflating and that the massage roller track is functioning correctly. If everything is running smoothly, you are good to go and ready to unlimit your wellness. Enjoy, and thank you for joining the Infinity family.